Hey guys, I'm showing you this red light therapy for body. It's a 180 LEDs red light therapy lamp with tripod, 3-in-1 chip design, 660 nanometer, 850 nanometer infrared light therapy for whole body. So you can see this comes in a nice box. There are four different panel for the LED lights here. So these are adapter, the tripod stand. So this tripod stand is adjustable to different height and levels that you can adjust. So here you can just open this up. So here this is the stand. You can just also tag and country. You have to lock this so that this will not deform again. So you can just tighten this up and then you can stretch this on these three different layers. So you can height up and then the top portion you can put this lamp here. Just rotate and then you can put it here. I'm just removing this protective covering so that I can easily show. So you can change the shape and the size or the height. You can adjust it the way you want, and then you can just also remove this protective covering from these LED lights. So this is for the adapter, so that I will show. So this adapter you can attach to this, and you can just put it in the electric. So I'm just showing you without putting on the tripod first so that you can see the functions. So you can see all the four lamps for the LED lights brighten up, and then you can adjust it through the remote. So you can adjust it, and it have their own effect. You have to check on your own the effects because the Amazon don't allow that to mention that. So you can see the effects and the benefits of this red light therapy. It all depends person to person, and then you can also use this remote just to light this up. So I just put it on the tripod, and you can see all the adjustment here. You can light, you can sit, you can lie down. So it's all like different things you can do, and you can then have the effect. So you can see uh, if you feel like an irritation or something, you can close it because you may be allergic to this, but it should be pretty much fine. It all depends person to person. So yeah, but overall this product itself is good. It say do what it say. So the red light therapy with the four different shades, tripod, and all the stands and stuff. This also comes with this manual that you can go through, and this glasses for protection that you can wear. So overall it's good. Describe everything in the manual itself. You can go through it, all the precautions and stuff, and what it can do or not. So pretty much you can try that. Overall my impression is fine with the product, but it's up to you.